Deep beneath the ocean's surface, a secret world of living light thrives. This incredible phenomenon, where organisms produce their own glow, is called bioluminescence. It's a chemical reaction, often involving luciferin and luciferase, that emits cold light. Many deep-sea creatures use this internal light to attract prey or find mates in the perpetual darkness. Some even deploy it as a defense mechanism, startling predators with blinding flashes or glowing clouds. While fireflies are famous examples on land, countless marine species illuminate the vast oceans. From microscopic plankton to giant anglerfish, diverse life forms glow brightly in the abyss. The ocean's twilight zone, where sunlight barely penetrates, is particularly vibrant with these living lanterns. Beyond the sea, certain fungi, and even some bacteria can also produce their own captivating light. It's a dazzling display, showcasing nature's boundless creativity and ingenious adaptations.